Welcome to the grand finale of our special series on California wildfires. For the past episodes, we've delved into a myriad of aspects, such as their environmental impact, the implications for climate change, economic costs, health and public safety, and the social and political consequences. Today, we turn our attention towards the beacon of hope amid this fiery crisis: technological advancements in firefighting and prevention, and the role of data and modeling. Imagine a world where we can predict and combat wildfires with the precision of a smartphone weather app. As wildfires grow in frequency and intensity, technological innovation has surged forward, transforming how we approach these devastating events. One of the most significant advancements in recent years is the use of drones. Equipped with thermal imaging technology, drones provide an aerial vantage point, sending real-time data to firefighters on the ground. This up-to-date information allows for more accurate and immediate responses, aiding in strategic firefighting efforts and minimizing the risk to human life. In addition, artificial intelligence and machine learning have established themselves as pivotal tools. AI models analyze data from satellites, cameras, and environmental sensors to predict the likelihood of a wildfire starting. They take into account weather patterns, vegetation density, and historical fire data, providing authorities with detailed risk assessments. Such models not only warn us about potential outbreaks, but also assist in crafting more efficient evacuation plans, potentially saving lives. The front line isn't the only place where technology is making a difference. Prevention, a critical component of wildfire strategy, is seeing its own advancements. Smart land management techniques, powered by data-driven insights, are gaining momentum. These methods involve creating vegetation maps using satellite data, which help manage landscapes more effectively to reduce fire hazards. Furthermore, let's not overlook the breakthroughs in data collection and modeling. Satellites like the GOES-16 and advanced software such as FireCast empower scientists to monitor fires from space with unprecedented accuracy. These technologies deliver invaluable insights into wildfire behavior and spread, facilitating a global analysis that strengthens both local and international firefighting strategies. In conclusion, the technological advancements in fighting and preventing California's wildfires represent a paradigm shift in how we confront one of nature's most destructive forces. Though these fires have irrevocably altered our landscapes and communities, they have also propelled us into a future where we harness technology for greater resilience and preparedness. As we wrap up this series, let's reflect on how California's wildfires have catalyzed changes far beyond their immediate devastation. Each topic we covered, from environmental to socio-political dimensions, illustrates a broader narrative of resilience and adaptation. The wildfires have not only changed California's future, but have also influenced global strategies in dealing with natural disasters. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, informed and united, we can thrive against the challenges of tomorrow.